my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's up, y'all? As you can see, we are back. Another update on Project X. Project X getting some headway. As you can see, we got the two-door box Chevy over there, and then we got Project X here, which, and if you don't know, is the four-door LS Brougham for the streets. So basically, what I've done, I've been touching up the engine bay. You know, when we first got it, it was real rusted. So I took some 80 grit sandpaper, got down off in there, sanded it down, not to metal, but you know, to clean up any of the major spots. It just didn't look good. I still have a little bit of cleaning up to do on this fender well, because I'm gonna be taking off. That vacuum ball is gonna go. This is for the speed control. That's gonna go. Both of those are gonna go. Stuff for the evac canister, that's gonna go. None of that stuff is on that box Chevy, so we're gonna get rid of it. And then when I get that off, then I can go ahead and I can finish painting up under there. I can sand it, hit that with the sander, and then bring that down, and then get it painted and get it looking all shiny and nice like this one here. I just needed to, you know, try to hit it some type of way with something before we just threw the motor off in there. That's just me. That's just how I do. I may go ahead and hit that back firewall with the same stuff. I don't know. 100%. I mean, it will be behind the motor. It's not necessarily show, although we are doing on taking a little bit further step on what we planning to do on this build. You know what I'm saying? We're going a little bit above and beyond, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by that in just a second. We went ahead and doused the hinges. Doused the hinges in some WD-40. I don't know how long they've been up like that. However, I know WD-40 won't hurt. Definitely won't hurt. So, you know, we hit it. Make sure. That's something that I didn't do on the other one. And then I think we kind of came to regret it because it kind of bowed the hood a little bit. So yeah, big blast, WD-40 can, good to go. As you can see, I mean, there is like some surface rust on here, but nothing that can't be taken care of. There's a couple spots over here on this one that I had to get. I took it down to the metal, and it looked great. So solid, and over there, it's pretty much gonna be the same thing. Like I said, after I get the vacuum ball off of there, stuff for the cruise control, get that to come off, because like I said, we will not be using that at all. All right, so show you what the powerhouse is gonna be for the what's gonna live under the hood of the the LS, as we're getting that prepped and ready. So we got a 5.3. We're doing it a little bit different this time. We are going with a car intake LS2, big mouth, throttle body, probably like a 92 millimeter. I'll throw some paint on it. Ain't gonna necessarily be no Picasso job. Same as what we did with the Cutlass. Instead of doing probably dual colors, we'll probably do a single color of blue on the block. Hell, probably even the engine cover, just because, or the timing cover, just because it really don't make no matter when you put the pump on there, and you ain't gonna be able to really see behind there anyway. So we're gonna be cleaning it up with, let's see where our product at. Clean up with that Super Clean. Y'all know they sponsored us, and yeah. So we're gonna put this stuff to the test and see exactly how it's gonna come out. I'm probably gonna roll this out the garage here, as I gotta get ready to clean it up. It ain't super duper filthy, but definitely could use some love before we spray paint it. I'm gonna leave because the head's already been painted and shit, so I'm gonna just leave them on there, and then I might pull them off when it's time to paint the heads. But as far as the block, we're just gonna clean it and spray it blue, time cover blue. Let me show you the blue that I got for it. Alright, so this blue right here is called Caliber Blue. It said it says heat up to 500 degrees. Ideal for caliper drums and rotors, but it should also work for our engine blocks as well, because the engine paint for the engine block is very similar in its rating. Let me find the can. I know I got one around here somewhere. So this is anodized color code 550. Anodized color effect of chrome shiny metal surface. So if this is for the engine block or the covers or the VHT, then it should be fine for the block itself. So we're going blue, not red. So I don't think I had another color in mind for it. Hold on, I might have to dig through some stuff. I be buying shit and forgetting, and yeah. So let me change these. Let me dig through a couple boxes, make sure there ain't no surprise color for the engine block. All right, so there's no secret color. However, I do think I remembered I was going to do this on the calipers on the Chevy. So now I guess they'll both be the same. Tart blue. So we're gonna get our Super Clean and get it in action. All right, so you can see got that ready to go. Well, you can kind of see it. I can set some off in there now. I wasn't gonna set it off in there looking all rusty and stuff. So good to go on that. And then we gotta get the engine ready. As you can see, we put the blue on there. It looks good. The oil pan coming off. I'm gonna take the heads off and spray them aluminum colored silver, and then turn around the back door. Probably do the engine mounts. Probably do the engine mounts the same color, blue. I was thinking about going blue and black, but the blue works. I like the color of it. It's not like a dull blue, it's kind of a bright blue, so I think we're gonna keep it. I almost messed around and ordered more of the same parts. That's what happened when you be ordering a whole lot of stuff. See what we got in this box of goodies here. I had to go back and look at my receipts, and I was like, oh yeah, I got some of them. Alright, hold on. Alright, so we got in here, got some popcorn. Got some boats. Got some more boats. If you know, you know. Yes, sir. Straight from the LS6 Innovations. Make sure you use that code LSCR free shipping. And get free shipping on your order from LS6 Innovations. And we also got that pickup tube girdle for when we put our oil pan on there. So that's gonna hold that in there nicely. And then inside of here, let me unwrap this for you. Alright, so this is the coil brackets. These will go on the rail. Or not the rail, they'll go on the valve cover. So if you got it off, I'll show you how they go on. So the hole right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is probably the right side here. Give me a second. Alright, so this is gonna go on here. I believe this. Bing, 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 bing. So we got a hole right there, hole right there, hole right there, hole right there, hole right there to hold the bracket. And then 2 bolts each for each of the 4 coil packs. That'll be good to go there. I thought I was going to use this hole down here, but it doesn't utilize that hole. But let's just Unless it's different on this side from the other side. Nah, look a bit about the same on either side. So yeah, after we get our valve covers painted how we want them, we're gonna put our fancy brackets on there for the core packs. And we're good to go with that, man. So a little touch of LSX innovation on both of them. Like I said, make sure you use that code LSCR free shipping to get free shipping on your order from lsxinnovations.com. So I think that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for the night for this update. Bring y'all another one probably in a couple weeks. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, getting in the future. Cause after work tomorrow, I'm gonna probably come home, put another coat of the blue on there, and then we'll get ready to go ahead and do the oil pan, swap that off, the pickup tube, install the girdle, for the oil pickup tube. It's not something that I've had an issue with, but I mean, I figured I'd go ahead and do it since, you know, they're the sponsor. Go ahead and utilize that. And then, like you say, you got the bolts for those, and then these are the bolts for the bracket. So it's coming together. We kind of picking up the pace because of the simple fact that, don't tell nobody now, I kind of want to put the two-door box Chevy in the middle before we get the sanding and stuff on it, so we have more room. We may or may not have hit 10,000 subscribers by then, but if we go ahead and get this running and driving, that way I can pull it out of the garage, put it right over here, put the tarp back over it, and then go from there. And then whenever we hit 10K, it'll come off or whatever. But of course, y'all the members, y'all get these exclusive videos. And then yeah, so we already got the oil pan, won the oil pan in the auction. Won the oil pan in the auction, got it sitting back there. Probably gonna go ahead and start. Yeah, probably go ahead and get the bolts. Get the new head bolts. Get the new head bolts so we can put our heads on. Then probably go ahead and get ready to put the transmission, made it up, and then I mean, after we get that done, man, we can go ahead and put it in the car. The fuel system, I know that's like the feed. That's the feed, and that's the return. I'm probably gonna cut it down. So I'm not probably gonna use whatever that is that they used originally. So yeah, we'll take that, get the fuel line, the sending or the feed and the return lines, get them ready. You know, we're gonna probably use our nylon braided hose for that, and then go from there. So y'all keep rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying, I'm gonna keep bringing these updates, and Project X gonna come together.